Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can get approved for Klarna. Now, if you don't know what Klarna is an international company that offers buy now, pay later services, which allows shoppers to make purchases from online retailers and physical stores without paying the entire amount up front. So consumers can basically pay for their purchases in 4 interest-free installments, charged every 2 weeks, or they can pay the entire amount within 30 days. They can also finance their purchases over a longer period with a Klarna partner web bank. So how do we actually go about getting approved to pay with Klarna? So this is straight from their website, so I'm just going to go through it and basically explain in detail what you have to do in order to be approved. So to start with, you first want to be old enough. As it says here, you need to be at least 18 in order to use Klarna's payment options. So make sure you are at least 18. Now the next step is you must have a positive credit history. History of positive behaviour as a Klarna customer can improve your chances of being approved, so ensure not to miss a payment. And it says here you can sign up for free to one of the credit reference agencies like Experian or TransUnion to understand your credit profile. Now the next step is to make sure you don't have a lot of debt. If you still have balances on unpaid purchases, it would be beneficial to pay them off to possibly increase your chance of an approval. Next up, you want to connect your bank account. If given the option, connect your bank account with Klarna. This will give them a chance to get a clearer picture of your ability to pay, and as a result, they will be able to make an informed credit decision on you. This option is only presented when they can't get enough information from other sources. And just so you know, it also says here, know that we handle your data very carefully and you can remove your bank account granted access at any time. The next step would be to change the amount of your order. The total amount in the shopping cart may be too high, so maybe try remove some items and then try again. And there's a couple more points of things that are good to know. So you should know that each purchase is a new decision. So one rejection does not mean that your future purchases will always be declined, and it does not negatively impact your credit score. Please be aware that attempting too many purchases in a short amount of time may result as being rejected as a fraud prevention. So if you've tried all those options I just said about, but you're still unable to successfully place your purchase, we recommend you to place an order using another payment method. So yeah, it's best to basically keep all those things in mind, and if you follow those steps correctly, you will be approved to pay with Klarna. So hopefully after watching this video, you now know what you have to do to be approved, and hopefully you are now approved to pay with Klarna. If you are, comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.